How to fix
How
the
to
extraction
disable open
operation
file
was not
security
completed
warning in
error.
Windows
In this
11,
video, I
10,
will
8,
guide
or
you step by
7.
step
In
on
this
how to
video,
fix
I will
the
guide you
extraction
step by
operation
step
was
on
not
how to
completed
disable
error.
open file
Now to fix
security
this
warnings
problem,
in
the first thing you
Windows.
want to
The
do
first
is
thing you
open
want to
up
do
any
is
web
click on the
browser.
search bar, and
Then
here
you
you
want
want
to
to
search
search run and
7-zip.
then
Now
press
click on the
enter.
download
Now
option right
type
here.
in
You have the option of 64-bit or
inetcpl.cpl and
62-bit.
press
Go ahead and
OK.
select that according to your
Here
PC.
you will
If you
find
do not
different
know it,
tabs.
then you can
Select
simply search
security,
system
then find the
information and
option of
find the
custom
detail over
level. Click
here.
on that.
Once you have
Here
found
you
it,
want to
select the
find the
file.
option of
Then
launching
simply click on the
applications and
download
unsafe
option. Now
files.
wait for the
Go
file to
ahead
be
and scroll down
downloaded.
until you
After
find
it
this
has been
option.
downloaded,
Once you
locate the
find it,
folder.
click on
Now
the
right
enable
click and
option.
select run as administrator.
Then click on
Then follow
OK.
the
Now it's going
on-screen
to
prompts
say,
to
are you sure
install
you want to
this.
change the
Once it
setting
has
for
been
this zone?
installed, you want
Go
to
ahead and
locate
click
the
on the yes
problematic file.
option. Once
Then
that
right
is
click
done,
on
you will no
that.
longer
Now
receive
click on
the
the
security
7-zip
warnings
option
in
and you can
Windows. And that's
easily
all for this
extract it from
video. If
here
you found
without
it
getting
useful,
any
make
error.
sure
And
to hit the
that's all
like
for this
button and
video. If you
subscribe
found
for
it
more
useful,
videos
make
like
sure to hit the
this.
like button and subscribe for
How
more
to
videos
disable
like
open
this.
file security warning.